Okay, we did a video on the Freedom Falls, and this is the Rockland Iron Furnace, which is located just down from the main falls, which would be up there. And this is a very well preserved iron furnace just hanging out in the woods here. Okay, one of the very interesting things about this well preserved furnace is the water raceways that are still here, which there would have been water directed from the creek coming down, which would have been directed back to the furnace. I believe this furnace had a water wheel setup. You can see these water raceways, which were headed right towards the creek. Now, one time they probably would have went down, and these are probably actually filled in somewhat with dirt, because at one time I think they would have been kind of at a lower level here to bring water in towards the water wheel assembly. But this is it's pretty unique to find this. But this furnace is pretty big, and it looks to be very well intact. Wow. Very cool. It's an old iron furnace. This is the back side of the furnace back there. It's really in remarkable condition for as old as this thing would be. Seriously, somebody left a dirty diaper there? Come on. Yeah, you can kind of see where we're at here, down in this steep valley with super steep hills, especially more steep on that side and almost straight up. And the waterfalls is up there, which supplied the water down here to the furnace. I mean, this baby is a specimen here. You can kind of see as a size comparison Tracy's standing there. We got a little fire in here. But you can see how big that iron furnace is. There's a very unique thing about this iron furnace though, and that is the internal burn chamber is intact. And we're going to go inside this thing and show you. Most of the time these are all crumbled out and gone, but we're going to show you what this internal burn chamber looks like. Okay, we're going to head up in here. Now this is the secret that you never see in these old furnaces. The inner burn chamber, you can see from the heat. You can see on the rocks there, you can see from the heat. This inner burn chamber is still in this furnace. Now, there is a hole in it, so you can get inside it. But this is the actual burn chamber, which we're in right now. See up through the top there. These are almost never intact in these furnaces, but you can see here is evidence of how hot things were getting in here. You can see like the brick structure, how it was built. You just hardly ever find one that's this preserved. Definitely evidence of a lot of heat in here. Looks like stuff was, you know, melting. Wow, that's cool. We're going to head back out. You gotta watch that bad boy right there, because if that baby comes down, I don't know what all's coming down with it. So I am going to very carefully go by that and not touch it. Another good look inside the burn chamber from the outside. This is another thing you don't see intact too often, is the waterways. Okay, we're going to wrap this one up, but we thank you for joining us, viewing this Rockland Iron Furnace with us, and we will see you on the next video.